Hey, this is Travis with West End Heating and Air. I'm out here with Jason at one of our maintenance agreement customers, and let's see how he's doing. Part of the maintenance agreement plan, we come out twice a year, so once in the fall and once in the spring. We check everything inside and out. So we already cleaned the inside system, cleared the drains, replaced any filters that needed to be replaced, made sure everything was operating smoothly. Outside, Jason is now working on cleaning the system. We did find a leaky refrigerant valve, so we're going to be replacing that. Let's see how he's doing.